Discover the power of flight. Learn to master FPV drones and conventional drones with real hands-on training. From beginners to professionals, we teach you how to fly with confidence, precision, and creativity.
Yep, I love that noise. I love the sound of drones because that for me sounds like money. Every time I fly a drone, I'm making money. Come by, fly with us. You get to see other drone pilots, you get to see different drones, you get to see what we do with drones. You get to learn from experts that they are sharing their abilities, they're sharing the skills, they're sharing everything that we do with drones. We're sharing a lot of information, stuff that we do in the market, how we get clients, how we get started in the drone industry. So come by, sign up for the events, and we let you know when and where we do the events.
Unlock new opportunities for you, or elevate your business with the skills that set you apart. Your journey starts here. Become the pilot you were meant to be.